What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, the plan is to figure out what happened here. I got a pretty good idea of what I think happened.
I don't know if you can hear that or not. Good checking.
But we're going to do this one of two different ways. We can use a compression tester, figure out which cylinder it is, or we can pop the valve covers off, see if there's anything extremely noticeable going on there. But I think we're going to start with that route. Let's go ahead and pull the valve covers off and get in there. I believe it's a intake valve. I'm not sure which one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's fun while it lasted. So let's get on to pulling these valve covers, see if there's anything obvious going on. If not, might do a compression test to figure out which cylinder it is. So we'll go from there. All right, first things first, get these coils out of the way. These are 10. Yeah, man. That out of the way. I'm gonna try to unhook as little as possible. Just flop these over here for now. Oh, that's not gonna fit. Oh man, it's never easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Man, I haven't touched this thing. Kyle pulled me home. We pushed it in here, ended the last video, and here it is. So we're gonna find out at the same time. It'd be nice if it was just a lifter or something that broke. Whoa. Look at that. The bolt here. I'll get you guys in a little closer so you can see. This one here, the bolt is backed out. Let's pull this out of here. The rest of the way. Check out this push rod. Threads still look fine on that. Bolt don't look messed up. Just don't look bent. That would be awesome if that's all it was. All right. I'm not sure why that would cause a popping through the carburetor. That is that'd be the exhaust valve. I'm not sure, but we're definitely still going to take off the other side too and make sure it's all right, but that's obviously a problem. Let's take off the other side real quick and see what we find over there. All right, let's get this side off of here. Wrong. Yeah. Oh, dang it, every time. Let's go. All right. Excuse me, pardon me. Pop this up here. Stay. Thank you. Get the impact on all these ones. What do you guys want to see me do with this thing? Just beat the snot out of it all the time, or? I mean, I'm game for that. I don't really have a plan for it. Never really thought about that, I guess. I just wanted something I could bang gears, and it does that pretty good. Let's see how we got. Yeah, everything over here looks fine. That's awesome. Well, I think the plan now is put that rocker back in. I'm probably going to recheck all of these just to be 100%, and then fire it back up and see if the sound goes away. Like I said, it was popping through the carburetor, which makes sense if it's not releasing the compression through the exhaust, that it would release it through the carburetor once the intake valve opens. But all right, let's put that one back on, put the valve covers back on, and then we'll fire it up. Fingers crossed. And then maybe we'll go for another ride. A little easier ride this time. All right. Nope. Check them all first. See how this feels. This battery hooked up here. Anti-theft device. Come on. Be good to me. That was it. It is fixed. That is awesome. Still got 50 pounds of oil. That is awesome. Yes. I can't wait to get the exhaust on this thing, man. So heavy, it's all it was. Alright. Let's take it for a ride when Kyle gets here so he can hold the camera. Alright, this thing's been sitting here running for a while. Everything seems alright. You have no idea how bad I would just want to go and dump the clutch and do another big burnout. But anyways, we'll take this thing out for a rip. See how everything goes. Alright, so we had a slight change of plans. Not doing the exhaust just yet. So the first drive is going to be about a half an hour to the campgrounds. So far everything's going great. We're holding steady to 170 degrees. She's just cruising. Definitely going to have to get different gears for the rear end, because we're doing 55 at 2,000 RPM in only 4th gear. Still got a whole nother gear to go. It's a dang land speed record car here. But yeah, I will let you guys know if anything cool, exciting happens. And so far, it's smooth sailing. All right. Perfect. I will hang out here for a bit or whatever, and then on the way home, if anything happens, I'll let you guys know. But so far, everything is great. All right, so it's the next day. This thing made it the 30-minute drive there, the 30-minute drive back, and had absolutely zero issues. So we're good. We're going to go ahead and get this all on today, and hopefully sound way better. So I'm going to get you guys set up here. Probably just going to do a time lapse in all honesty, and get this just knocked out, and I'll let you guys hear it once it's done. All right, I think for now, I think that's all I'm gonna do, just because, forget those mufflers, they're terrible. And I still have yet to order the over the axle pieces. So we're gonna see how this sounds. I'm sure it's gonna be great. If it's too bad, I'll throw the mufflers back on for now. But all right, let's let this thing down. And all right, we got her back on the ground. I'm just gonna do a quick test fire and see how it sounds. I think we're gonna leave it for just a little bit.
can agree. This sounds way, way better. It's a long trip back from Mexico, but how could you not love that? You guys need to let me know what we're gonna do with this thing next. I'd like to paint it at some point, but I think I'm gonna wait till winter for that. But for now, we'll figure something else to do with it. All right, well, it's been a couple days, and this thing has just been good. I've been driving it around and absolutely zero issues. There's a few things I need to button up, I guess you would call it. But other than that, guys, I think she's just a driver now. Next upgrade is definitely rear end. The stock gears in this thing, they gotta go. Fifth gear is almost useless. But I'm thinking about a paint job. You guys have to let me know what you think about that. Was that something you want to see? It'll definitely be my first time painting a car, but I'm sure we can make it through it. I can make anything happen. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see next. I got a few things I need to do on the S10. We'll probably get into that one next, but thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.